Welcome to Excellence, the varsity of Excel. Master Excel, Master Efficiency. Let us start. Today, let us see how to enter and edit the data in a worksheet. Before moving forward, we should know that there are multiple kinds of data. A worksheet contains more than 17 billion cells, and a cell can contain any kind of data such as a numeric data, a text, a formula, or a error. Now let us see what are these four kind of data. Let us say we are creating a table name. Actually, this name is a text and marks. See now the name, marks, student one. All these are text, and this particular thing is a numerical value. Let's enter the marks for the students. Now all this is numerical data. It's number. And when we give a total function such as is equal to sum, we just select it. This sum functions we will learn later. This is a formula. And how we are getting error? It's like we can do some function for numerical values. And let's say we are doing it for test. So what will happen? Sum this plus this. This is all mistake. This formula is completely mistake. And this is a error. So we have test, we have numerical value, we have this formula which we can see here, and this is a error. These are the four kinds of data which can be in a Excel worksheet. Kindly be informed that a cell can contain 32,000 characters, which is more than enough to work around. Let's see what is going to happen when we enter the large test. Now we have entered a large test which is going out of the cell, and to read it we can extend the formula bar and you can read it here. If the data sentence is big, if we have to manage within a cell, we have to make the cell big, then we need to format it, format cells, alignment, we can wrap the text. So what will happen is it will come within the cell. Let's see what is status bar and how it is changed while we are using the Excel. If you see the status of the Excel is now it is ready mode. So let us start entering something. Now presently the status has become enter. Now I missed to type 2. I want to go to this particular location. What I have to do is I have to press F2. The status is changed to edit. Now I can use the left arrow button and go to that particular place. Now my entries are completed. I need to finish the entry. Just press enter button. The status is changed to ready. This is how Excel behaves while we are working in a cell. Let's see how we can enter a date in a cell. It's very simple. We have to start typing. This is treated as a date. If you are going and seeing the format, right click, format cell. See, it's automatically taken as date. We didn't format it. Automatically this is a date. And now let us see how to enter a time. So we have to go type again. This is considered as a time. Let's see what is the format of it. So it is custom, hour and minutes. Or even if you go to time, this is in this format. You see 2:30:00. This is a format of this particular cell. Now let us see how to remove some data from the cells. Let's say I want to delete this student number 6. I just kept the cell here and press delete button. Suppose I need to delete few more items together. I just select it and press delete button. It's done. Suppose I want to delete it. I just deleted it. But the thing is that while deleting the data, the formats are not gone. It was a bold cells. Still it is bold. If I type something, name of student, it's coming as bold. So deleting any data from a cell, it will not remove the format of the cell. Like the table is not removed, the bold was not removed. If we wish to remove the formats and other information available in the cell, we need to go to home button, editing, use clear function. We have clear all, clear formats, clear contents and clear comments. We don't have comments, that is the reason it is not active. Clear hyperlinks, remove hyperlinks. Either of these 6 functions can be used. Let us say we are using clear all for name of the student. If you see data is gone, the format is gone, and the table format is gone. Suppose we are using only clear format, what will happen? Let us see. See, now the data is still there, the formats are removed. That's how this particular area functions. Let's see how we can replace the content of the cell. We want to change this one to student number 10. Either we can go to the edit mode by pressing F2. This is become edit and just remove 6 and student number 10. If you want to remove the complete data here and replace with something new, keep the cell here and type. So it is replaced. Let's see how we can edit the cell. Suppose you want to edit this student number 1, add something to it. So what you need to do is either we can double click. So this is activated. We can edit here. Class 1. This is one option by double clicking at the cell. Other option is just press F2. We can write 1 again. Other option is keep the cell activated, go to the formula bar and click on it, and we can edit it in formula bar. These are the three options to edit the cell. While we start editing let us say by pressing F2, we can see a vertical bar which is blinking after 4. So this is where we are going to have the data entry. Suppose we need to do it somewhere else. Either we can use arrow buttons or we can use the mouse to click it directly on the point where we want to edit. If we want to remove multiple letters or edit multiple letters, we can press Shift and either arrow key to select all of them. Now this all data is selected. Let's say we want to delete it. Entire stuff is deleted together. Let us further see how we can move around within the cell. Now we are active after end of 5. If you press home key, it will go to the beginning of the cell. If you press N key, it will go to the end of the cell. If you want to move in between, the arrow keys are useful, or the mouse is another option. We can click wherever we want to edit. We can use backspace to remove the character left side of the pointer. I'm pressing backspace. The left side character is removed. And if you press delete, the right side character E is removed. This is how backspace and delete is used while we are editing a cell. After making any entry in a cell, we press enter and the cell moves to down. This is by default. If you want to change it, the option is go to file button and go to options, advanced. Here after pressing enter, move down. We can change this one to up, right, left, whatever we want. Another way of controlling the movement is by selecting the cells. Let us say we selected it here. I am putting name, enter. It is going to the next selected cell. It is not moving down. I am writing marks. See, it is moving to the selected cell, within the selected cell. Suppose I am selecting like this. Let's say name, enter. It is moving down. Student 1, enter. It will go to the next selected cell. So it will move downward and then to the right side. Suppose we want to enter the same information in multiple cells. What you can do is, let us insert a column here. Here we want to write the class, and these all students in class 1. So what we can do is select the entire area where we need to have the information. We are going to type class 1 and then we need to press Control and enter. Control enter. So the same data is placed in all the selected cells. Let us say we have a large number of data where we have a fixed number of decimals. Let's say we are typing like this using the decimals and 5.5. Instead of doing it like this, we have an option given by Excel. Go to again File, Options, Advanced, click it here. So now it is 2 decimals. Let us say we need 4 decimals and press OK. Now what will happen is we need not use a decimal character. Let us just type continuously from 1 to 9. Let's see what is going to happen. See, this is how Excel gives the result. Let's do it once again. See, 4 decimals are already automatically given by Excel. Excel has another function called autofill. Let us say we have to give the serial number here. Instead of typing it fully, we can select it. We can see a square shaped button at the end of the selected area on right bottom corner. This one. So we keep the mouse there. What will happen is the shape is changed as a cross. Press the left key of the mouse and drag it. Release the mouse, it's automatically filled. Now it is come as a series. We have multiple options. We can see there is something visible here. This is autofill option. Just click on it. We can see the options given by the Excel. If you select copy cells, it will copy 1, 2 repeatedly everywhere. Let us see what will happen. See 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you see fill series, it will fill the series. If you select fill formatting, it will select only the format, not the data. Fill without formatting, what will happen? It will not fill the format, only data will be. This is how the autofill function works. There is another function called autocomplete. When we are entering a data in a column and there are few data which is getting repeated, so the Excel will automatically fill the data. One time we need to put it is LP school and this is UP school, and again we are typing LP school. Let us type L. I have entered lower L, but it is calling LPS automatically. Let us enter it. It is coming capital L and PS. Let's say what will happen if I press U. See, it's coming automatically. This is called auto-filling option of Excel. We have an option to force the Excel to keep the data in multiple lines in a cell. Let's see how we can do. Let us type student 1 and then Alt enter class 1. If you finish this entry and press enter, it will come in 2 different lines in a single cell. Excel has a auto correction option. Suppose our company name, for example, it is Excellence Learning Academy. We can give ELA and the Excel will correct it as Excellence Learning Academy. Let us see how it is done. Go to File, Options, Proofing. This is the autocorrect option. Click here and we have to give ELA, Excellence, and started. Okay. We are just entering ELA and enter. Corrected as Excellence Learning Academy. Let us see something. We learn from ELA. Excel is correcting the data. This is the function of auto correction. Now let us see how to enter the number with fraction. Let's say it is 4 1 by 4. We can enter with a space as we are seeing here, but in the formula bar we can see it is considered as 4.25. 5 space 2 by 4 and it is 5.5. Excel gives us option to enter the data in a table by using a form. This helps us to make sure that we don't mess with the table and the data in the table. For that, we need to do something. First, we should have the header for the columns as it is. Here it will be student name, subject, time, marks, for example. Now, next thing is we have to customize the ribbon to bring the form in the ribbon. Let us go to customize ribbon. Click here, more commands. Here, instead of popular commands, we have to select commands not available in ribbon. Now we have to go to form. It is alphabetically arranged. Let us click on form and OK. Now the form is available in quick access bar. Let us select the header of the table and click form. We can say yes, student, subject, time and marks. Let us say student 1, subject, marks, time 1, marks 78. Click new, is come here. Again we will write new. So this will be going on adding in this table. This is how the form is used to have data entry. How to format the numbers. By using the ribbon, we have home and there is a block called number. Here we have formatting. Let's say we are formatting to general. It means this particular cell is behaving as test. If you are putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is general. Suppose we are formatting the next cell as number and we are entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is considered as a number with decimals. Next cell, let us consider it as currency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, it brought a symbol. Actually, this is a default symbol, we can change it. Now, next option is short date. Let us say 1/1/2025 is showing 1 January 2025. If you are going and doing long date 1/1/2025, it will present it like this. And we have time, let us select as time 1/25 is showing as time format. We have another option. We can use shortcut menu, which is by right click and format cell. We can say the same thing: general, number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction. All these functions are available in the shortcut key. Addition to it, we can customize a format. We don't want to see the date format like this. We want to see it in a different format. What we can do? Go here, format system, custom format. We can say this is the format. Day means it's a short month and year YYYY is full year. So we can remove two Y's. It will be different format. 1/1/2025. See, it is come here. Suppose we are going and formatting in a different way. Let's say we are putting one more M and say okay, so it's a change. So this is how we can customize the format. This can be done for even for time or the number. This is how we format the data in a cell. That's it for the day. Now we know how to enter, edit and format the data in a cell. Once again, welcome to Excellence, the Varsity of Excel. Hope you enjoyed the section and it was useful to you. Thank you.